This is the best pork. After this recipe, you'll only want to make it like this. I'm going to start here by frying 2 bananas, and we're going to let these bananas fry until they're golden brown. That's it. Our bananas are well fried. I'm going to take them out and put them here. In the same pan, I'm going to add a chopped onion and 3 cloves of garlic. Now I'm going to add the pork. Let's let this meat fry well too. Here I have a 1/4 cup of vinegar. Here I also have 1/2 cup of soy sauce, and then I'm going to add 150 ml of water and let it cook for 10 minutes in this sauce. Then I'll add 1/2 cup of brown sugar, a sliced carrot, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and we'll stir again very well. Next, I'm going to add spring onions and chopped parsley to taste. I'm also going to add 2 fried sliced pepperoni, and we're going to add the bananas we fried. Look at that, it's mouth-watering. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and until the next video, bye-bye.